Good morning, dear students. As in the previous video of partnership retirement for class 12B, we have discussed the theory part of the chapter retirement, and I have also told you the what gaining ratio is and what is the new profit sharing ratio. But we have discussed that in the new video. In the next video, we will tell you about the practical problems related to the partnership profit sharing ratio. So first of all, read the question. Illustration number 1. ABC are partners sharing profit and loss ratio of 4 to 1. Calculate new and gaining ratio of if there are three conditions. Means they have said that in that question three things happen. What? B retires from the firm first. B retires and his share is taken by A and C equally. And last, B retires and surrenders his 1/5 share to A and 3/3 5/8 share to A and 3/8 share to C. We will discuss this problem later. But before this, we will solve this B part. LMN and O were partners. Profit sharing ratio is 6:5:3:2. M and N retires. Nothing extra is given. M and N retires. And now we have to show the new profit sharing ratio. We have to show the new profit sharing ratio. Old ratio was, the name was LMNO and the ratio was 6:5:3:2. Name was LMNO and ratio was 6:5:3:2. M and N are retiring, so and nothing extra is given. It means the ratio of M and N will be cancelled. New ratio will be 6:2, or you can also say it 3:1. Okay. So let me show you. Here you can see that in the last 6:2 or 3:1. If nothing extra is given, it is very simple. To calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay. But now come to the first problem. Here the old ratio was 4 to 1. And B is retiring. So at that time, first of all, we have to find out combined share of A and C. Let the profit of firm 1 rupees. And from this we have to subtract the ratio of B. So it will be our remaining ratio. 5/7 will be our remaining ratio. 5/7 will be our remaining ratio. Okay. Now A share out of the remaining ratio. A share was 4/7. So 4/7 multiplied by 7/5 means whole share. So it will be 4/5. Same goes with the C share. So 1/7 multiplied by 7/5 it will be 1/5. So new share of A and C will be 4/5 and 1/5. 5 will be cancelled. So 4:1 will be the new share. Okay, this was the first condition. And now gaining ratio. gaining ratio is very simple. Old minus new. A's old share was 4/7. Sorry. Gaining ratio is new ratio minus old. New minus old. So new share is 4/5. Old was 4/7. LCM is 35. So it will be 28 minus 20, 8/35. Same goes with the C. Same goes with the C. New minus old. New was 1/5. Old was 1/7. LCM was 35. Then 7 minus 5 is equal to 2/35. Then the gaining ratio will be 8/2, or we can also say 8 4/1. 4:1. 4:1. And now let's come the second. In it, in this second situation, it is said that they are taking the profit equally. They are taking the profit equally. So B share was 2/7. 2/7. A is gaining 1/2, means 1/7. ठीक है. तो A new share will be old plus new. Old plus gaining will be new share. So 4/7 plus 1/7 will be 5/7. Will be 5/7. ठीक है. Then let's come to the share of C. Let's come to the share of C. C will also gain 1/7 from B's share. So C's new share will be old share plus gain. So old share was 1/7, gain 1/7, it is equal to 2/7. New share of A and C 5/7, 2/7 it means 5:2. 5:2. Okay. Calculation of gaining ratio. A's gain is 1/7, C's gain is 1/7. It means 1:1, equally gain. Okay. And now the third condition. Let's come to the third and last condition. Third and last condition says B retires and surrender 5/8 share to A and 3/8 share to C. Here we have to find out the shares of B. So A gains 5/8. So it will be multiplied to this. So A's new share will be old plus gain. It will be 42/56. Same applies with the C. C's old share was 2/7. B's old share was 2/7, and B sacrificing 3/8 to C means 6/56. So C's new share will be old plus gain. So old 1/7, gain 6/56, it will be 14/56. So new ratio will be 42:14 means 3:1. 3:1. Gaining ratio. A's gain is this, C's gain is this. 10/56 ratio 6/56 means 10/6, 10:6, and the gaining ratio will be 5:3. 5:3. So it was the simple solutions of new sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. But if you have any problem, you can ask me out. For the help, and I will be there to help you out. From the next video, we will discuss the entire part. So that we can grasp, we can learn the question, we can learn the chapter easily, and we can make sure that this chapter helps us in our board examination. Okay.